Hello and welcome back to the VeChain course. I hope you have scored full marks in the last quiz. Now in this chapter, we will discuss the architecture of VeChain. This is important in order to start building the dApps on VeChain. VeChain is somewhat different from Ethereum or EVM based blockchains like Binance, Polygon, etc. As we know that the Ethereum blockchain has taken a step ahead of Bitcoin by introducing smart contracts and an account model, which allows for storing more information than just balance information. However, the Ethereum blockchain has some limitations like scalability and performance. One of the biggest problems is high transaction fees and slow transaction speed. Currently, the transaction speed has significantly increased since the Ethereum migrated from proof of work to proof of stake. This change has also reduced carbon emissions. Well, the Ethereum is indeed a big step forward in technology, but it's not good for big business apps. One reason is that Ethereum doesn't have a good way to make changes to its system. This makes it hard to adopt new changes or ideas. For example, the migration from proof of work to proof of stake. Another issue that Ethereum doesn't have a good way to know how much it will cost to use it. The cost, what we call as gas fees, changes a lot. So it's hard for companies to plan how much they will need to spend. VeChain Thor blockchain is designed to solve the problems that are mentioned above. Well, it's not created from scratch, but it's based on some of the essential building blocks of Ethereum, such as account model and EVM. VeChain Thor provides new solutions that are made possible by its governance and economic models, and has many technical features that are useful for companies, individuals, and developers. We will discuss them in some time. So first things first, the deciding factor for any blockchain is its consensus mechanism. It determines how the blockchain will perform, and VeChain has proof of authority consensus mechanism. So let's discuss more about what is proof of authority. A proof of authority is a consensus mechanism in which few trusted nodes, called validators, are responsible for creating new blocks and validating transactions. These validators are selected based on their reputation, experience, and expertise. Once a validator creates a new block, it is added to the blockchain, and other nodes of the network verify and confirm the validity of the blocks. This consensus mechanism eliminates the need for complex mathematical calculation and reduces the risk of attacks from the malicious nodes. VeChain Thor also introduces a new feature called Authority Master Node System. It enables a decentralized governance model where the community can propose and vote on changes to the network. Apart from this, the notable thing is its meta transaction features. And you must see this. VeChain Thor blockchain's core protocol has features that make it easier for enterprises to adopt this technology, such as multi-party payment, multitask transactions, controllable transaction lifecycle, transaction dependency, which makes the development more user-friendly for enterprise adoption. We will see this one by one when we will build the complete and complex project on VeChain. As of now, let's move forward. Unlike other blockchains, VeChain Thor blockchain has a unique two-token system consisting of VeChain token VET and VeChain Thor energy VTHO. You heard me right. This two-token system is designed to tackle the scalability issue faced by blockchain networks, particularly those that use proof-of-work consensus algorithm. The first one is VET, which is a primary token and is used as a store of a value and for transferring value across the blockchain. It's a fixed supply token, meaning that the total number of VET or VET in circulation is limited to approximately 86 billion. VET is also used for staking, which is the process of holding tokens in VeChain Thor enabled wallet to earn additional VTHO. At the other hand, VTHO is a secondary token and is used as energy or fuel to power the transactions on the network. It is generated by holding VET in VeChain Thor enabled wallet. The amount of VTHO generated is proportional to the amount of weight that is held in the wallet. This means that the more weight the user holds, the more VTHO they will generate. The VTHO token has a dynamic supply, meaning that it is generated based on the demand for the network transactions. This ensures that the cost of using the network is predictable and stable, which is very important for enterprise adoption. VTHO is used to pay for transaction fees, smart contract execution fees, and other network services. Now let's talk about some benefits of using these two token systems. These two token systems has several benefits. Firstly, it ensures that the cost of using the network remains stable and predictable, which is very much essential for the enterprise adoption. Secondly, it helps to reduce the volatility of a primary token, VET. Now how it does that? By separating its utility function from its store of value function. Thirdly, it incentivizes user to hold weight for longer period, as this generates more VTHO, which can be used to offset the transaction fees. Overall, the VeChain Thor 2 token system is a unique and innovative solution to the scalability issues faced by the blockchain networks. It is designed to ensure that the cost of using the network remains stable and predictable, which is essential for enterprise adoption. Now you have all the essential information about VeChain blockchain. If you want to dive deeper, you can go through their docs. The link is in the footnotes like always. Now you test your understanding about VeChain by submitting the quiz. Once you submit, then we will discuss the developer tools that are essential to build the dApps on VeChain. See you in the next chapter.